proceed for our next category. The next category is, can we have on the screen? Nutrition Packaging Company of the Year, and the winner is... And the winner is...
And the winner is Zeon Lifesciences.
Yes, it's Zeon Lifesciences. Many congratulations. To collect the award, I would like to call Miss Rani Garg, Miss Yashna Garg, and Mr. Pradeep Kundu and team. Please come on the stage to collect the award. Let's give them a huge round of applause, everyone. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Once again, many congratulations for receiving the second award. And
thank you so much again for this award. I've got my packaging team here with me, and they would like to say a few words.
Packaging is not simple packaging के आपने कोई food just एक pack किया और then आगे आपने transport कर दिया. Packaging is the primary thing which impact our daily life. आप पैकेजिंग क्या कर रहे हो, आप पैकेजिंग कैसी दे रहे हो, आप ये हेल्दी है, अनहेल्दी है, सस्टेनेबल है, ये अदरवाइज ये बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट करती है हमारी डेली टू डेली लाइफ को. और हमारा टारगेट ये है कि हम हेल्थ को सबसे सुपीरियरिटी पे रखेंगे और हेल्थ इज़ फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी ऑफ आवर पैकेजिंग. थैंक यू.
thank you so much. Many congratulations to you and to your team. Let's give them a huge round of applause, everyone.